Welcome all the viewers of N Express, and today we have come in Thana Bhavan, and this is Divya Public School, which is really very reputed institution in this area. And we want to say our viewers, commercial world has changed the real picture of education and the picture of academic institutions. Now we want to discuss, we want to show the real picture of this institution. What is the reason behind it of the reputation of this institution, and our team will enter in this institution. This is a class where little students are here, and a ma'am is standing here. Ma'am, please explain yourself.
Myself, Aman Siddiqui. I am from Nanota. I have completed my masters from Saharanpur.
What do you feel about the students who are standing here?
This is my class, and all the students are too much intelligent. They are too much creative in all craft work, and in all the activities they performed very well.
My name is Rishika, class 4th B. My father name is Vicky Kumar. My mother name is Jeeva Tomar. My brother name is Taniksh Kalkhande. My name is Ritvik. My name is Sara. My father name is Mr. Shoaib. My mother name is Mrs. Zareen. I have one sister and one brother.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome.
Sir, which is your subject, sir?
My subject is the physics. I am teaching the physics for 11th and 12th in Divya Public School.
And name, sir?
My name is Mayank Dutt, belong from Saharanpur.
Okay. You come from Saharanpur, and what do you feel about the mentality of the students, sir?
The mentality is very good. The students are also very good. The atmosphere of the school is also very good. The students are the responsible students, and they give the response for the every questions.
What is the meaning of atmosphere? Because 3 states been listening you, sir.
The atmosphere is there is an atmosphere for students for studying is very good. The management and the school staff is very friendly in nature and provide the comfortable opportunities to the students and to develop their mentality and their skills in the school. The school and management provide the very good facility to all over the students.
Please, what is the importance of this school for you? Stand.
Good morning. Importance of this school is, sir.
Okay, what do you know about this school?
Good morning, sir. My name is Anshul, and I am studying from class 8th, and this school is very good.
In this school there is so much good discipline. I like the discipline, and the teachers also have very understanding.
In this school, staff teachers help me a lot in exam, studies and complete our work.
Okay, whatever the teachers teach, the students really adopt all the points, and they been expressing here the importance of discipline, and this is a glimpse of discipline because the students are not making a sound, are not making a noise. This is the specialty of this class. Okay, next student, welcome. What is your name?
My name is Kashish Nawaz.
Okay, what do you know about the management of this school?
The management of this school is very good, and
Which is your favorite subject?
my favorite subject is biology.
Okay, what is your aim?
My aim to become a doctor.
Okay, and what is your aim?
My aim is to become a doctor.
Which is your favorite subject?
Chemistry.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Meenu ma'am.
Why have you taken admission in this school?
Because the facilities and the good education.
What is the meaning of facility?
Sir,
Okay, what do you know about facility? Next, what is facility?
every kind of help by the teachers in the lecture. If I have any kind of problem in any subject, they can understand me very well.
Okay, this is Divya Public School, and there are many another schools here. Why have you chosen this school?
Sir, this school is very good, and the atmosphere of this school is very good for me.
Okay, next student, tell me the importance of your family.
Sir, family is very important for me and my brother and every society.
Okay, next. What is the importance of money to take admission in Divya Public School?
The importance of money is very useful to us because money.
Can you come without money here?
No, I cannot come without money here.
Okay, next student, what would you like to say about the students who can't come here? Okay, first of all, what would you like to say about the students who want to come here and study but could not come here due to lack of money? Okay, next.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to say that they are missing a very good opportunity to study in this school because this have very good facilities and this is well disciplined. So, yes.
And now we go in the end. This is the last row. This is the last row and back benchers of this school. And the students, okay, introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Arjita Thakur. I am from Bhaneda Udda and I love to play badminton.
Okay, what do you know about Divya Public School?
This school is very good for me and this atmosphere of this school is very
Okay,
good.
introduce yourself.
I am Poonam from class 11. I am Poonam from class 11.
Okay, from where do you come?
Thana Bhavan.
Thana Bhavan. Okay. Okay, what is your name and your future planning?
First of all, good morning, sir. Myself Wajia Khan and I am a student of class 11B Science and I am from Jalalabad.
What is your future planning?
After completing my school from Divya Public School, I do my further study in the field of medical.
How do you feel here?
I feel very proud. It is the proudest moment to stand in front of media and I feel very proud.
Do you feel confidence has come here?
Yes, probably.
Okay, what is your dream? You tell first of all name and later dream.
First of all, good morning, sir. My name is Anshika Tyagi and I am the student of class 11th science stream and I study in Divya Public School, which is a very repetitive school, and my dream is to join MNS, that is Military Nursing Service.
Okay, what is your opinion about the faculties of Divya Public School?
My name is Ananya Verma. I am the student of Divya Public School and I study in 11th standard.
Okay, what do you know about the faculties of this school?
I feel so proud of our teachers and our faculty's excellence.
How do you feel your parents?
My parents are
How do you feel the importance of your parents who has sent you here?
So I feel very proud that I have parents, and I feel very lucky that I have parents. So those children who do not have any parents, they are very obsessed in their life, and they with my parents, they fulfill.
What is the importance of your target and how will you achieve it?
Sir, good morning, sir. First of all, I am Ansh Kumar from Nagal, a nearby village here, and I am studying in the public school, which is very honorable and good school in the area. My target is to become a software engineer, and the school is helping me a lot in this. We are having regular computer classes and we work on computers, what we study in the school. We are having an opportunity to execute what we study in here or learn here.
What is the condition and position of sports in this school?
First of all, my name is Mahin Sayyed. I am from Thana Bhawan, and the condition of sports and sport activities in the school is very good, and our PTS sir is very.
And this is library of Divya Public School where we have come, and here are many books. In this world where channelization and digital world has lost the importance of hard copies, books. In spite of it, there is a lot importance of books here, and these are the faculties of Divya Public School. We want to put a question. Ma'am, welcome. Please tell your name.
Myself Priyanka Mittal from Divya Public School. I am as a TZT here, English.
Okay. How many years have you experienced in this institution?
I have 2 years experience in this institute, but total we have the 14 years experience in teaching line.
Okay, ma'am, introduce yourself.
Good morning. I am Monica Sharma and I am from Saharanpur. I am this institute from the last 7 years and I am TGT English here.
Okay, introduce.
Good morning everyone. Myself Meenu Tomar and I am PGT Bio here and I am have completed my 8 years in these institutions.
I am Parul from I'm here TGT Science in this school. I'm working here since this year.
Okay, sir.
I am Lajpat Rai. I am Vice Principal here and I have been working here for 10 years.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, my name is Payal Malik. I am here for 3 years and I am as a PGT Economics over here.
Hello, hi, this is Zubair here. Good morning to all of you. And I have been working here for the last 2 months.
Okay, here is Vice Principal. First question goes to you, sir. What do you find yourself on the post of Vice Principal in public schools?
It is a very good experience and I have been working and I am just going to do some work for the teachers, for the students. I have to manage everything that has been implied by our principal.
Okay, ma'am, tell about your experience taking Divya Public School.
It was a wonderful experience. I have taught many new things over here. I have done a cultural activity so that I can perform very good to the students. It was very good experience overall.
Ma'am, why have you chosen this field while this is there is falling education standard in this world?
I have to make a change in the teaching line. But the teaching is seen as when you don't have any other options to do in a career, you choose your teaching experience. But I have to tell to the students that you have to choose this so that you can bring change to the world.
It means you will have to create a capacity to the words and capacity to the personality. This is the reason behind it.
Yes, I have to create a thing in the students so that they have an enthusiasm and passion related to the studies.
Okay, sir, what is your experience about teaching?
Yeah, actually extremely experienced, very nice movement for Divya Public School. Because of I would like to share some experience which is regarding of this field.
Okay, sir, what is teaching, sir? Please tell.
Yeah, teaching is that you can say that how to set the student's mind. Because of lots of students creates a lot of noise in the classes, so it is your responsibility how to maintain the discipline. And if you cannot maintain the discipline in your school, so it means you have a lot of problem, and that's why the reason you are not a good teacher.
Okay, ma'am, please tell how do you manage the students in your classroom?
Yes. Because I have the experience of at least 14 to 15 years and I think I can manage my students. I am a guardian, I am like a guardian of my students in my school and I can control on myself on the behalf of good discipline, good manners and good etiquettes among my students.
Ma'am, tell us, teaching in especially public schools is really a very hectic job. What would you like to say?
No, it is not a hectic job, but it is a very good for the local schools and local हमारी जो peoples हैं. We can give extra educations, extra knowledge, and whatever they want, the extra personality development in this school.
Okay, ma'am, do you have convinced with this job?
Yes sir, I am 100% convincing for this job and I am also convinced to others because only teaching line is that profession who make the doctors and the engineer and the president also. We can make a future of our country.
Okay, ma'am, what message would you like to give to the parents of the student?
I want to say that if you want to teach your study. Yes.
Okay, we will come to you, and this is once again I want to second question put you, sir. What is the prestigious value of vice principalship, especially in public schools, sir?
In public schools, vice principal is very important and he is the key person who can manage the things that are applied by the management and by the principal. So I have to look everything and I have to coordinate with the teachers and the students so that nothing could happen that should not be liked by others.
Okay, ma'am, very important question. Excess discipline suppress the natural talent of the students, and we have listened there is excess discipline in this institution. What is your light over this?
Discipline is a commitment. It comes not to just for the students, it comes to us also, that what we tell to them, we have to commit towards ourselves so that we can taught the same to the students. First of all, I have to be on time so that I can teach the same to the student, and that is a discipline for me.
Okay, sir, what is your opinion about the management of these schools?
Yeah, extremely fantastic. I had a great time with all that because of I have been working for the last 2 months, and I would like to say Mr. Lajpat sir, most of the time he supports to me whenever I did a lot of mistakes here. So he told me that, Zubair sir, please don't do this type of thing. So I had a lot of good experience and learned so many things from the Divya Public School, and I would like to salute to Divyan groups.
Okay. Managing Director of Divya Group of Institution has connected with an Express News, and we want to discuss about the prestigious life of the institution. Welcome, sir.
My name is Mahipal Singh Rana, Divya Public School Managing Director.
सर, आपने दिव्या ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन को डेवलप करके, इस्टेब्लिश करके उनको डेवलप किया है, ये एक तरह से आपका एक ख्वाब पूरा हुआ है, तो कैसे बयां करेंगे हमारे दर्शकों को इस ख्वाब की जो ताबीर पूरी हुई है?
मैं यहाँ से अपने भविष्य को खोजने के लिए दिल्ली गया और वहाँ पे मैंने वर्किंग की, फैक्ट्री लगाई, और लगाने के बाद में जब भी अपने विलेज दूधली में आता था तो मैंने देखा कि हमारे क्षेत्र में शिक्षा का बहुत ज़्यादा अभाव है। दिल्ली जैसी मेट्रो सिटी में तो बहुत लोग लोगों ने इंस्टीट्यूट बनाए, तो मेरे मन में ये ख्याल आया कि क्यों ना मैं अपने क्षेत्र में इस प्रकार के इंस्टीट्यूट बनाऊं जिससे कि आने वाली जनरेशन को बेहतर से बेहतर शिक्षा मिले, उनका भविष्य उज्जवल हो।
लेकिन सर, एक सवाल और यहाँ पर निकल के आता है, जैसे क्षेत्र में, इस एरिया में आपने जो इंस्टीट्यूशन यहाँ पर खड़े किए हैं, जो लोवेस्ट और मिडिल क्लास है तो वो तो वंचित रह गई है इन चीज़ों से, उनके लिए क्या प्लान है आपके पास?
उनके लिए हमारे पास बहुत सारे प्लान हैं, गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से भी और हमारी तरफ से भी हैं। OBC, SC और जो ऐसे गरीब वर्ग हैं उनके लिए 25% सीटें हमारे पास आरक्षित हैं, जिनमें हमने इस प्रकार के बच्चों को एडमिशन दिए हुए हैं और हर प्रकार की सुविधा देते हैं उनको।
लेकिन सर, कुछ ऐसे भी गार्जियंस हैं, कुछ हमें मिलते हैं, चूँकि हम लोग ग्राउंड पे रहते हैं, वहाँ पर मिलते हैं, जो एक एम्पायर आपने खड़े किए हैं, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ लोगों में हीन भावना के वो शिकार हो जाते हैं, इन्फीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स आ जाता है, वो यहाँ तक आपसे इंक्वायरी करने भी नहीं आ जाते, तो उनको क्या मैसेज देना चाहिए?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। जो इस प्रकार के लोगों की सोच है कि वो यहाँ तक आना ही नहीं चाहते, कि बड़ी दुकानें, ऊंची दुकानें, ऊंचा शोरूम है, हो सकता है बहुत ज़्यादा रेट होंगे, ऐसा नहीं है। क्षेत्र को देखते हुए देखिए, किसी चीज़ को बनाना एक बहुत आसान है, लेकिन उसको बनाए रखना बहुत बड़ी बात है। इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए हो या कोई भी चीज़ हो, आज हमने बनाया, इसके रख रखाव के लिए तो पेरेंट्स को ही मैनेज करना होगा। इतनी फीस या कोई एनुअल चार्ज, इस प्रकार के चार्ज हमारे नहीं होते जिससे कि पेरेंट्स पे बहुत ज़्यादा बर्डन पड़े। ये तो पेरेंट्स।
मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर बोल रहे हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं हमने जो एम्पायर यहाँ पर खड़ा कर दिया है, उस एम्पायर को मेंटेन करने में हमें पब्लिक के सपोर्ट और उनके योगदान की कहीं ना कहीं आवश्यकता है। और सर बताइए, आपके कितने इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, उनको थोड़ा सा जिक्र करिए।
हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट दिल्ली गाज़ियाबाद भी हैं और थाना भवन दिल्ली सहारनपुर रोड पे स्कूल है, मेडिकल कॉलेज है।
नाम बताइए सर उस मेडिकल कॉलेज।
मेडिकल कॉलेज का नाम है दिव्या मेडिकल कॉलेज।
सर, कई बार समझ में आती है, लोगों से तज़किरे हुए हैं, बातचीत हुई है, आपने दिव्या ही क्यों रखा है अपने ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन का नाम? सर,
दिव्या एक बहुत भव्य और एक बहुत अच्छा नाम है। दिव्या सोचने का और एक अच्छी दृष्टि रखने का नाम है, यानी दिव्या दृष्टि है, देखने का और एक सोचने का नज़रिया है, इसलिए दिव्या नाम रखा है।
सर, जो लोग आपको सुन रहे हैं, या एक मैसेज छोड़ना चाहेंगे दिव्या पब्लिक की जानिब से आप?
मैं तो यही मैसेज छोड़ना चाहूँगा कि एक अच्छी सोच के साथ अपने बच्चों का भविष्य बनाने के लिए मैं ये नहीं चाहता कि दिव्या स्कूल में ही आएँ, कहीं भी अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट में जाएं और बच्चों के लिए वक्त निकालें, समय दें, अच्छी उनको।
सर, आपने एक बड़ी लकीर खींच दी है यहाँ पर इस थाना भवन क्षेत्र में, इस इंस्टीट्यूशन को बना के। जो बड़ी लकीर के बाद जो छोटी रह गई है, उनके लिए भी क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे सर?
छोटी भी बड़ी हो जाएगी, सोच बड़ी होनी चाहिए, छोटी लकीरें भी बड़ी हो जाती हैं, ऐसा नहीं है। जो छोटे छोटे स्कूल हैं ये भी बड़े हो जाएंगे। अच्छी सोच पेरेंट्स की होगी, पेरेंट्स बच्चों के ऊपर ध्यान रखेंगे तो स्वतः ही बच्चे उन्नत भी होंगे। और सबसे बड़ी पाठशाला बच्चों की उसके मम्मी पापा होते हैं, उसके गार्जियन होते हैं, तो बच्चों के ऊपर विशेष ध्यान रखें और ध्यान रखते हुए अच्छे किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूट में जाएं, 4 जगह जाएं, 6 जगह जाएं, जहां अच्छा बेटर अच्छी शिक्षा मिले, अच्छी फैकल्टी हो, अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट हो, अच्छा डिसिप्लिन हो, वहीं बच्चों को स्कूल में डालने का डिसीजन लें।
जी, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर बोल रहे हैं कि वी डोंट हैव डिपेंडेंस ओवर एनी स्टूडेंट एज वेल एज द गार्जियंस, बिकॉज इफ़ यू लाइक दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम, अदरवाइज वी डोंट हैव any jealousy, any competition with any person, with any people here.
बच्चों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि शाम को 1-2 घंटे का टाइम बच्चों के लिए पेरेंट्स को ज़रूर निकालना चाहिए। कहाँ गए थे, क्या किया था। मैं मोस्टली देखता हूँ कि बच्चे गार्जियन कहते हैं कि मेरा बच्चा स्कूल जाता है, ट्यूशन भी जाता है, लेकिन आज तक उनको ये पता नहीं कि ट्यूटर का नाम क्या है, जाता भी है या नहीं जाता है। तो बच्चों के लिए समय तो निकालना ही पड़ेगा। अगर उनके भविष्य को उज्जवल बनाना है तो बच्चों को समय देना बहुत ज़रूरी है। अच्छे स्कूल में डालने से बच्चा अच्छा नहीं हो जाएगा, उसको खुद की भी गाइडेंस होगी, तभी बच्चा अच्छा हो पाएगा।
जी, ये थे विचार मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर महिपाल सिंह राणा जी के, जो बता रहे हैं कि बच्चों के साथ अभिभावकों को भी जुड़ना पड़ेगा, पेरेंट्स को भी जुड़ना पड़ेगा और उनको गाइडेंस और डायरेक्शन भी देनी पड़ेगी, तभी जाके प्रॉपर रिजल्ट आएंगे, प्रॉपर नतीजे आएंगे। बाकी इस पर हमारे दर्शकों की क्या राय है कमेंट बॉक्स में हमें लिखकर ज़रूर भेजिए। बने रहिए एन एक्सप्रेस में। मैं मोहम्मद अकरम अपने कैमरामैन रुपेश कुमार और टेक्निकल सपोर्टर आस मोहम्मद के साथ। तक हैव अ नाइस डे।